ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ತಾಮ್ರಪಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಅಯ್ಯಂಗಾರ್ ಯೋಗ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 2 ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್, 2 ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 1 ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ. ಟುಡೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸನ ಉತ್ತಾನಾಸನ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಭುಜಂಗಾಸನ. 2 ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್, 1 ಪಶ್ಚಿಮೋತ್ತಾನಾಸನ, 1 ಫಸ್ಟ್ type Marichasana forward bending, and lastly relaxation little bit, and then Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. I will show you first one Uttanasana. Legs little bit apart. Okay. Uttanasana benefit for hamstring muscles stretch ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಿನ ಮಂಡಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂಥನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೋಯರ್ ಸ್ಪೈನ್ಗೆ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. ಎಸ್, ಬೋತ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸೇಲ್, ಬೆಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪಾಮ್, ಲುಕ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ knee, inhale and exhale, leg straight, head down. If not possible, you can hold your ankle, touching your kneecap. If possible, put a cup shape, inhale, exhale, little bit elbow bend and bend forward. Normal inhale and exhale. In this position, you can stay at 1 to 10 counts. Again, inhale, come back, exhale slowly, both hands up. And relax the hand. Yes. Second one asana, Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana means, what is the benefit of Bhujangasana? And lower shoulder and lower spine will be stretching and hip will be stretching, and especially leg, strengthening the leg. Yes. I will show you Bhujangasana. Lie down on your stomach. Yes, your palm should be just level, chin to the ground. Yes, join your leg if possible, not possible, leg wide. Inhale, come up, exhale, bend back, normal breathe. Be there only 10 counts. Again, inhale, come up, exhale, relax, leg wide and then relax, forehead relax. Yes, and slowly come up. Now, 2 standing asanas over. Next, come to forward bending asana. One is Paschimottanasana. I will show you. This is my favorite asana. Yes, both leg forward, sit erect. Yes, if not possible, 1 feet apart. If possible, join your leg. Look forward and back straight. Inhale, exhale, both hands up. And inhale, exhale, bend forward. If possible, your forehead touch on the knee. Yes, be there 10 counts. Toes towards the chest, tighten your kneecap. Inhale, come up. Exhale, relax. Okay, Paschimottanasana is good for lower back pain, and especially knee should be tightened. Leg should be straight, toes towards the stretch. This is good for lower spine problem. Yes. Lastly, I will show you Marichasana 1. This is also good for forward bending asana. Further asana you can do. ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುವ ಆಸನಗಳಿಗೆ ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes, I will show you. Right leg fold, back erect, again hand stretch, inhale, exhale, bend forward. Be there 10 counts. Yes, inhale, exhale, slowly come back. Again, another leg, left leg fold, right leg straight, tighten your kneecap. Inhale, exhale, bend forward. Be there in 10 counts. Yes. Again, inhale, come up, exhale, relax, and sit in Samasthiti. Yes, both hands up. Exhale, bend forward, be there 2 minutes, relax your body. Again, slowly come back. Yes. Last one. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. I will show you how to do. Left hand should be Chin Mudra. Right hand should be Nasika Mudra. Thumb finger after two finger close. Yes, I will explain you. First inhale to the left. Right nostril close. Inhale to the left nostril. And close your left nostril. Exhale to the right nostril. Again inhale to the right nostril. Exhale to the left nostril. I will do it. You can follow it. Gently press your, close your eye. Gently press your right nostril. Inhale to the left. Again close your left nostril. Exhale to the right. Again inhale to the right nostril. Close your right nostril. Exhale to the left nostril. Yes. This is one circle of the Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Do it first, start up 10 rounds. Okay. This is good for immunity power system. And all dust, ಏನಾದರೂ ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲರ್ಜಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. You have to do every day at least 10 minutes. Yes. Now lastly, lie down on your back. This is Shavasana posture. Palm facing upward. Relax your body. Normal breathing. Relax your toes, fingers. Relax. Relax your hamstring muscles. Relax. Inhale and exhale. Relax your lower belly fat. Relax and relax. Relax your lower abdomen, upper abdomen, middle abdomen. Relax your shoulders, hand fingers. Relax and relax. Relax your neck, face, chin, cheek, eye, eyeballs. Relax and relax. Relax your both nostrils. Don't join your eyebrows. Completely collapse your body. Relax and relax. Now normal breathe. Slowly come up. Pick your leg finger, hand finger. Left leg fold. Right hand up. Turn right side. Breathe there 2 minutes. And slowly come back. Yes. Lastly, prayer, Namaskar Mudra. Slowly inhale, close your eyes. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Rub your palms. Touch on your eyes. Yes. Namaskara. Thank you.